Hey there! This isn't just another video, it's your personal wake-up call. Think of it like a friendly mirror, showing you who you really are, maybe for the first time in a while. Deep down, you know you're not living up to your best self. You feel pulled in too many directions, worn out, and distracted. You try hard, but something, maybe a phone ping or a quick excuse, keeps knocking you off track. And another day slips by. But here's the good news. You weren't meant to just get by. You weren't born to scroll endlessly, doubt yourself, or give up. You have a spark, a purpose, a reason to shine. If you don't chase that purpose and stay focused, you might let all that potential stay locked away. You might think you've got plenty of time, but look around. How many dreams have faded away? How many chances never came? Today isn't just another day. It's a fresh start. A nudge from the universe to wake up, lock in, and go after your goals before it's too late. I'm here to help you stay on track, even when life gets tough. These 10 simple tips can totally shift your focus, your mindset, and your future, if you put them into action. So, if you're tired of seeing others succeed while you feel stuck, stick with me. I'll show you how to build strong focus, even in the middle of a busy day. Let's kick off with the one thing that changes everything. 1. Find your big why. Forget about discipline or motivation for a sec. If you don't know why you're doing something, you'll never stick with it. Ask yourself, what's your real reason? Not the one you tell others to sound good, but the one that keeps you awake at night, or brings a tear to your eye when you're alone. Maybe it's making your family proud, breaking a tough cycle, giving your kids a better life, or just feeling good about yourself in the mirror. That why is your fuel. When things get hard, and they will, your mind might want to quit. But if your reason is strong enough, pushing forward will feel easier than giving up. Take a girl from a tiny village with no lights or internet. She studied under a street lamp because her mom died without money for a hospital. Her why was to save others, and that drove her to become a doctor. So, what's your why? Write it down, say it out loud, feel it, because with it, you'll become unstoppable. 2. Tackle the most important task. Let's be real. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're busy with the wrong stuff. Cleaning your desk, checking emails, or scrolling. Those don't get you closer to your dreams. Here's the secret. 1 focused hour on the big task beats 10 hours of random work. Every morning, before you touch your phone, ask, if I could only do one thing today to reach my goal, what would it be? Then do just that. No distractions, no multitasking. This is deep work, and it's where real progress happens. Think of a security guard working nights with no support. From 2 a.m. to 4 a.m., he coded while others slept. 2 years later, he's a software engineer. So, are you just staying busy, or are you making real moves? Focus on that one key thing every day, and you'll win. 3. Set your top priorities. Here's the truth. People aren't tired from doing too much. They're tired from doing the wrong things. You say you want success, but your day is full of everything except your goals. Answering every message, saying yes to everyone, or trying to please others. That's how dreams fade, not from failing, but from distraction. Setting priorities means protecting what matters most. Ask, does this task help my goal, or is it just keeping me busy? Try this. Draw 3 circles. In the first, list what you want to do. In the second, write what you do daily. In the third, note your goal. If your actions don't match your goal, you won't get there. It's that simple. Successful people say no more than yes and focus on one thing. Write down your top 3 priorities. Cut out what doesn't fit. And don't feel bad about it. Focus on what counts every day. 4. Watch where your time goes. You might say you don't have time, but do you even know where it's going? Picture your life as a bank account. You get 24 hours, 1,440 minutes, every day. And once it's spent, it's gone forever. Where did yesterday go? Hours on social media, chatting about others, overthinking. You're not stuck. You're just using your time wrong. Take a guy working 12-hour days with a long commute and 2 kids. He spent 1 hour a night learning and building. 5 years later, he quit his job and started a business, all from that 1 hour. If you spend 3 hours daily on Instagram, that's 45 days a year. Imagine using that for a skill or your dream. No, so turn off your phone, block distractions, and use that time for your big task. 2 focused hours in your power time beat 5 distracted ones later. Start your day with purpose, and you'll be amazed at what you can do. 6. Kick procrastination. Procrastination isn't a little habit. It's a dream stealer. It doesn't hurt right away. It sneaks up quietly. You say, I'll start after breakfast, then after lunch, and suddenly it's night, and your goal's still waiting. We wait for the perfect mood, but it never comes. The trick? Act before you feel ready. Try the 5-second rule. When your brain says, I should do this, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Start small. Just open a book or write 1 line. Once you begin, energy kicks in. Ask, if I don't act today, what will my life look like in 5 years? Let that push you. It's not laziness, it's fear, and facing it breaks the chain. 7. Keep your body happy. Can you drive a broken car? No. Your body is your first home, and if it's tired or unhealthy, your dreams can't grow. Junk food slows your brain, late nights cloud your mind, and sitting too long kills motivation. Sleep 6, 8 hours to recharge, move for 15, 30 minutes daily, walk, dance, stretch, and eat light, fruits, veggies, water, less sugar. You can't focus if you're dehydrated or exhausted. Check your habits first. Drink water, eat well, rest. A healthy body means a sharp mind. 8. Balance work and fun. Life isn't about all work or all play. It's a mix. Use tough moments to build discipline. Yes, waking up early hurts, but it pays off with confidence. Then reward yourself with rest or joy. Earn it after hard work. A good day might be focused work, a walk, and relaxing with music or loved ones. Avoid escaping into distractions. Balance keeps you strong and happy. 9. Cut out bad triggers. Your focus isn't weak. It's just surrounded by traps like your phone, a messy room, or negative people. Audit your day. What breaks your focus? Block apps, clean your space, and set boundaries. Replace scrolling with journaling or calm music. Protect your mind. It's your superpower. 10. Love the daily grind. Big goals aren't glamorous. They're boring repetition. Write, practice, plan daily, even when it feels dull. Like brushing your teeth, make it a habit. Repetition builds skills and confidence. Embrace the boredom. It's where you grow strongest. Hey, I know life gets tough, but you're tougher. You're not alone. I'm with you. Start now, focus hard, and let's grow together. But before you go, I've got something special just for you. If you're ready to take your journey to the next level, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. It's your way of saying, I'm all in. By joining our community, you'll get a front row seat to exclusive tips, bonus challenges, and a surprise gift waiting in the next video that'll supercharge your progress. Don't miss out. This is your moment to commit to your dreams, and I can't wait to see you shine. So, subscribe, hit that like, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's do this together. You've got this.